Hello beauties, I will take you on another culinary journey in my kitchen as we make this delicious basil infused tomato chicken. It is different from your regular Nigerian stew. Without further ado, let us get into the cooking. So we have the chicken thighs. It's already cleaned, washed and cleaned, trimmed and cleaned. So it's washed and it's cleaned, ready to season. Thyme, dry thyme, a little bit more, oregano, onion powder, paprika, fennel seed, salt, toss it up. After adding all the seasoning, we're going to toss it very well to make sure that everything is combined. I just let it marinate a little bit and I will put it in the toaster oven, air fryer, yes, air fryer, for it to toast up very nicely. Once the chicken goes into the air fryer, while it's toasting up, I will start preparing my vegetables. I'm starting with two medium-sized onions. I will just roughly chop it. After that, I will go ahead to chop the tomatoes. Because this is not your traditional Nigerian stew, I am only roughly chopping it. You can also use a knife in case if you don't have this manual chopper or food processor. And this is one of the main ingredients of this dish. It is a basil tomato stew, basil tomato chicken stew. Okay, so I'm just picking the fresh basil. This is one thing I like about summer. You can plant your herbs and just pick it fresh from your right from your kitchen. This is just next to my kitchen, but I will just wash it, make sure that there's no sand or soil on it, and we're going to use it to cook. And this is our chicken after about 45, I can't remember how long I left it, but I'm just flipping it over on the other side so that it can also toast on the other side of the chicken. Okay, sorry. I want to infuse the oil with the basil flavor. That's why I added into hot oil. It will burn, it will fry to fry the basil. That way it will infuse the whole oil with the basil flavor. After that, I will just add onion and fry the rest of my ingredients. As you can see, the basil is very fried, and then I just add the rest of my ingredients step by step. which you will see as you continue to watch this video. I want to thank you for watching if you watch up to this point. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do me a favor and subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification. That way you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. And don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. Have you ever tried using basil in your stew, in your tomato stew? How do you like it? Are you going to give it a try? I just want to get to know you a little bit. Okay, and also don't forget to share this video on your other social media platform or with your family and friends, whoever you think will benefit or will enjoy watching this vlog, watching this video, cooking video. And I'm going ahead to add the tomatoes. The chopped tomato, as you can see, is just roughly chopped. Yeah, that's how I want it to be. After letting the tomato to cook down a little bit for about 5 minutes or so, just for some of the water to drain, I'm going ahead to season it. I added one seasoning cube and I also added curry powder, and I'm just going to stir it together and let everything cook, marinate again, okay, before I go ahead in adding more things. Now we are ready to add back the chicken. As you can see, the chicken is really nicely toasted. Using air fryer is very good. It helps to reduce the amount of oil you use in cooking, but look at that, it's looking very delicious, and it's even faster than frying the chicken. So I'm just adding it back into the sauce, and I'll add water and cover it to cook, and that's it, you're done. You see, it's very quick and easy. This is not the one that will take you hours and hours to cook. I love this kind of cooking. It makes life easy for me, and it's very tasty and very delicious and nutritious. And our stew is done. Please let me know in the comment section, what would you pair this with? I paired it with piping hot rice. It was so delicious. I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe and remain blessed.